Welcome back to another video on PowerDirector Made Simple. It was just over 3 weeks ago that I created my video number 51 about how to upload to YouTube directly from PowerDirector. Then Cyberlink goes out and releases the May update for 365 users, which completely revised the export menu. You know, I've told them for the 18th time not to make any revisions until they check with me. Did they listen? No. So here's a quick update about uploading to YouTube from PowerDirector. I'm going to start with just one of the sample 10-second videos on the timeline and click on Export. I'll then click on YouTube at the top. Now this should go without saying, but before you use PowerDirector to upload to YouTube, you must first have already created a YouTube account. PowerDirector does not create the account for you. And contrary to what other YouTubers may post, the first line for a name is to be the name of the file that you want on your own local drive, and is not the name that appears on YouTube. Next, you can select the folder where you want to store the file. And then you choose a video profile, typically MPEG-4 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second and a bitrate of 16 megabit. Now the next line is for the title of the video that you want to appear on YouTube. Note that the title and the name from above are not necessarily the same. The information for description, tag, and category are somewhat optional, but for serious YouTubers, fill out the information completely. It will help in searches on YouTube. Finally, the visibility is usually public or private if you want to restrict the viewership. When ready, click on Export. You will be requested to sign in to YouTube. But hold on, because this will all be done through PowerDirector. Do not go off and open your own browser and sign into your YouTube account. Click on Sign In. A Google window opens in your browser asking you to choose your account. If you have more than one account, they will be listed. Be sure to choose the correct account to which you want the video uploaded. After choosing an account, you will probably be asked to verify it's you. A window will advise you to check your cell phone for a message from Google. On the cell phone, tap on Yes, It's Me, and then tap on the matching number that appears on the computer screen. A new window in your browser will open indicating that Cyberlink PowerDirector wants to access your Google account and upload a video. Click on Allow. Another window in your browser will open indicating that authentication was successful. Back to the program to proceed. If you do not get this window, PowerDirector will not be able to successfully upload the video into your account. It may render a finished video, which will be saved to your local drive, and it may appear as if it's uploading to YouTube, but because it was never successful in getting permissions, the uploaded video will not appear as part of your account. Now, assuming it was successful in getting permission, you can close out the browser window and return to PowerDirector. A small window in PowerDirector will say Authentication Successful. Click Next to start upload. So go ahead and click on Next. Now the normal export window will return, indicating that it is producing your video and saving it to your local drive. Once that reaches 100%, the window will change to indicate Upload to YouTube. Once that reaches 100%, two buttons at the bottom right will offer the chance to open the file location on your local drive or to view it on YouTube. If you immediately click on View on YouTube, A window on your browser will open to YouTube and will likely say, "We're processing this video. Check back later." It takes YouTube 5 to 10 minutes to create both the standard def and the high def version of the video, and to check it for copyright violations. After that time, the video should pop up and can be seen by anybody, assuming you made it a public video. And that's it. For those that might get confused about how to manually upload their video files to YouTube, Cyberlink has provided this direct upload method. It is not perfect and it leaves a few things out, but it does the job. If you have any questions or comments about today's video, please leave them below. And while you're at it, make sure to click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.